Welcome to JH. If you're new to Genesys Cloud and feeling slightly overwhelmed, don't worry. This beginner-friendly guide is here to hold your hand through the interface. We'll cover logging in, managing your status, and handling calls without accidentally hanging up on everyone. First, head to your company's specific URL to log in, because apparently, one universal login would be too easy for us. Complete your profile with all the necessary details and set up your phone, whether you prefer a modern soft phone or a dusty desk phone from the previous decade. Next, let's talk about navigating the interface. It's a browser-based workspace that tries its hardest to look like a real desktop app, and it mostly succeeds. The central hub is the multi-contextual panel, where you'll see your calls, chats, and emails all fighting for your attention. You also have a status selector to tell the system if you're available, on break, or hiding offline. It's a fantastic way to let your boss know exactly how long your 5-minute coffee break actually lasts. When it comes to handling interactions, you'll be assigned to specific queues based on your team. When you're set to available, interactions will start rolling in from these queues like an endless conveyor belt of joy. Just click to accept, manage the conversation, and use a wrap-up code to categorize the experience before you escape to the next one. If you still feel lost, the Genesys Cloud Resource Center is your main hub for tutorials, because we all know reading manuals is everyone's favorite hobby. You can also find structured courses in the education portal or join the community to ask questions and realize you're definitely not the only one confused. Thanks for watching.